Hello class, today we are going to continue subtracting within 1,000 and continue to break 100, just like we did yesterday. Let's get started with our teacher model. I have 807 minus 512. 100, 300, 400, 600, 700, 800. No tens and 7 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I need to subtract 2 ones. I can do that. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. But I need to take away 1 10, and I don't have any tens. So that means I need to go next door and grab 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can subtract 1 10. And when I subtract 1 10, I'm left with 9 tens. And now I need to subtract 5 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm left with 2 hundreds. So 807 minus 512 is equal to 295. All right, let's move on to the next one. 648 minus 396. So I'm going to make the number 648, 300s, 400s, 500s, 600s, 4 10s, and 8 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I need to subtract 6 ones. Can I subtract 6 ones? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm left with 2 ones. Now I need to subtract 9 tens. I only have 4 tens, so I definitely don't have enough tens. So I need to go next door and grab 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can subtract 9 tens. So let's take away 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And lastly, I need to subtract 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, and I'm left with 2 hundreds. So 648 minus 396 is equal to 252. All right, now it's time for us to move on to our guided practice problems. I want you to pause the video and draw your place value chart and get ready to solve with me. All right, we are going to solve 547 minus 156 together. So let's make 500s, 4 10s, 2, 3, 4, and 7 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's take away 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm left with how many ones? 1, 1. Now I need to take away 5 tens, but I only have 4 tens. So then that means I need to go next door and grab 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can subtract 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Sorry, 9 tens. Left with 9 tens. And lastly, I need to take away 100. And when I subtract 100, I'm left with 300s. So 547 minus 156 is equal to 391. Let's do one more together. 704 minus 371. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 700s, no tens, and 4 ones. Now I need to take away 1 1. And when I take away 1 1, I'm left with 3 ones. I need to take away 7 tens, but do I have any tens? No. So I need to what? Go next door and grab 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, can I take away 7? Yes. Let's take away 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm left with 1, 2, 3 tens. And lastly, I need to take away 300s. 1, 2, 3. And I'm left with 300s. So 704 minus 704 minus 371 is equal to 333. All right, that's it for our lesson today. If you still need more help, watch the video one more time. And if you need more help after that, make sure you get on Zoom to get the help that you need. See you later.